Hello everyone, welcome to leadstackedusoftware. For today, I'm going to be taking you through the process of result info management. I've done other sections of results, so we are still going to click on results. We're still going through the process of results, but this one is how to allocate the results info to class and how to manage them. So I'm going to click on results, click on results info management, this, click on add new record, you click the result info name. Results info is basically the information you want to show on the result sheet. That is when you print out the student's result sheet, there is this particular information you would want to show. Like for example, this one has time present and time absent. Then you have maximum attendance, beginning of term height, end of term height, number of days absent due to illness, nature of illness, comment, recognition of number, and so on and so forth. So let me edit this and show you how it looks like. You click here, your time present, you click on it, type what you want to type for the result info management. The location in result is where you want this particular result info name to show. If you want it at the top, if you want it at the middle, left, right, bottom, it's your choice. So let me show you what it's going to look like. This result info name, time present, shows location in result, shows top. So let me go to a results template and show you how it looks like. You can see it here. Time present, time absent, maximum attendance, they are all on top. You can see. So let me go here, you will see them. Time present, time absent, maximum attendance. You can see top. You can see it. Top. You can see them. Then you see class teacher's remark bottom, head teacher's remark bottom, resumption date bottom. When I go here, you still see them like that. You can see class teacher's remark, head teacher's remark, and the resumption date. They are all at the bottom. You can see them here. So that is all for results info management. That is adding results info, like the way I showed before. You have your results info name and the location you want it to be in the results. So the next place you are going to go to is allocate result info to class. That is all these info names you've uploaded. You're going to choose which class this result info shows on and the location in the class. So I'm going to click on that. You can see, let me arrange it according to basic. You can see basic 1, time absent, basic 1, time present, resumption date, maximum attendance, head teacher's remark, class teacher's remark. So you see the same thing that was uploaded here will show on the results. You see the class teacher, everything that was written as the results info. You can see here, they're all showing. You can see here. And make sure when you're imputing all this, that is allocating of results info to class, you do it for all class, like from basic 1, from the class the school has to the last class. You input all the results info. And if you want to allocate results info to new class, you click here, click on the class you just newly created, you click on it. Then when you're done, you click on proceed. So the class is going to appear here. It's going to appear on this page of allocation of resource information to class. So when you're done, you add new record, select the class and choose the info that you want to be on the class. So that is all for allocation of results information to classes and managing of results information. So for any question, please drop it on the comment section. See you guys next time for more. Bye.